Will it survive? Hypersmooth 6.0, that's what GoPro calls the latest image stabilization of the brand new GoPro Hero 12 Black. Allegedly one of the most advanced image stabilization algorithms available today, with dynamic crop for instance for maximum field of view. We will see. I had really evil plans to bring Hypersmooth 6 to the limit on the roughest mountain bike trails here in the Swiss mountains. But just before I got my Hero 12 I had a little incident with the rock beside the bike trail. The whole 9 yards, emergency room, etc. Thank God I got away with just a few bruised ribs. Anyway, the Swiss mountain bike trail test will follow as soon as I recovered. But meanwhile, I have a much more evil plan to bring Hypersmooth 6 really to the limit. There are two nice young ladies helping me. One is
blonde,
one is
brunette,
and man, they are wild.
Cause I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with y'all. Mini skirt on, take my body in glitter. Platform sneakers, all the boys want a picture. Two foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with y'all. Mini skirt on. Two foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home.
On your mark, get set, go!
I don't know what you think, but man, this was our very first shot and I was extremely impressed. But of course, this was only the beginning. In the next scene you see the camera set to super view. One can clearly notice that in super view the image stabilization is really pushed to the limit. There's just not enough crop for the image stabilization, so better choose wide.
On your mark, get set, go!
Hypersmooth 6.0 is really impressive. Take into account how brutally hard this test is. Ayla and Kira are extremely athletic. But now it's time for a refreshment. Still in super view mode, the stabilization is okay here. This is maybe because Ayla enjoys the cool water instead of sprinting all out. Both girls are full of joy and happiness now. While blonde Ayla takes a beauty bath, the brunette Kira has a heartbreaking way to show her deepest love to everybody. The GoPro has a really hard job today, but it excelled in every aspect. This is what I call a true action cam. And also the image quality is brilliant for such a small camera. As an optical engineer myself, I really admire what GoPro has created here. But clearly the greatest feature is the Hypersmooth stabilization. It's so much fun to work with this camera. Ayla and Kira can't get enough as well. A byproduct of this test day is the proof that this camera is extremely robust. It kissed the ground many times today, but it survived. Only one mount broke when Ayla made a somersault. And don't miss the making of the thumbnail picture at the end of the video. I guarantee you will smile like crazy watching it.
Ayla, schau mal zu mir.
Warte.
Sissi. Ayla.
Ayla, schau da. Ayla. Ayla. Muss ich sie denn loslassen?
Ja, wenn es geht.
Warte,
Aber
nein,
jetzt ist
sitzen,
natürlich...
sitzen. Warte. Warte. Aber dann kriegt sie aber, gell?
Ja, ja.
Warte. Jetzt,
Ayla.
schau da. Warte. Warte. Dann
Ayla.
warte. Ayla,
Ayla,
schau da.
liebe Ayla.
Schau da, warte. Warte. Oh. Jetzt, da, schau. Ey,
Ayla.
warte. Warte.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance.
We all agreed this won't be the last video with Ayla and Kira. We already have two very cool ideas and we can't wait to realize them.
Turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, turn around, dance, dance.
Meanwhile, you may be interested about this video here with the Insta360 1R 1-inch. Have a good one!
I just wanna have fun, turn around now.